This is a 1969 Dodge Charger. Beautiful car. Very nice shade of blue. Has 440 Magnum engine. Looks like power steering and brakes. And has a Roadrunner horn, the purple one there. And there's a book here. A lot of owners put books out there to show you how they originally found the car and what they had to do, the various stages. And here you see the car as it first appeared, so that gives you an idea. This car has had a complete restoration. Needless to say, lots of money was expended in that. And there you see the turn signal indicators in the hood there. It has a black vinyl roof. Some aftermarket wheels. Very good shape. Now we're going to look at the interior here. Very nice. Bucket seats and console, and torque fight in the console. Now that's an aftermarket steering wheel, and the tack there attached to the steering column. Complete gauges, I think. Gas filler cap is up there on the fender. This is a big car. I always like the lines of these cars too. Looks like the aerial may have been disassembled for show purposes. Aftermarket valve covers. Very nice car.